Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. Tamra here. I'm here with a couple of my Glamourage dolls, and we are here to bring you an unboxing of their new sister who's arrived recently, Bindi Mirinda Mermaid Pool. If you follow the channel, you know that I've had this doll in my possession for a couple of weeks, and I've been waiting for the perfect opportunity to share her with you. Unfortunately, my family and I have been suffering from a summer cold that we keep sharing back and forth, and I woke up in the middle of the night and I found a great message from Joseph letting me know that his article had come out in Dolls Magazine. The article really highlights the process that he's gone through so far in bringing these dolls to market, and really highlighting through some beautiful pictures some of the different dolls that he has in his main line. If you're not familiar with Joseph Zekeres, I encourage you to check the link below for a direct contact to his website, as well as an opportunity to view all of the beautiful fashions and dolls that he already has available. I first became aware of Joseph, as I've stated in previous unboxing, through listening to an In the Doll World podcast. Now, if you're not familiar with In the Doll World, I highly recommend you check them out. They really highlight specific artists, collectors, enthusiasts, and sewers for all kinds of different fashion dolls. And the topics that they discuss and the different background information that's available through these interviews is just fascinating. So please check for that in the link in the description below if you're not already following them. So I've had an opportunity to order several different dolls from Joseph, and I've been pleased with each and every one of them. They're very unique and interesting dolls. They come with great accessories, have fabulous articulation, and each one has a really unique personality all their own. So let's go ahead and get this box opening started. I'll change my camera position so that you can see the opening from the cutting of the tape through the box unveil. Since I have had the opportunity to buy several of Joseph's dolls, and they are coming from Australia to the United States, I live in North Carolina, I was so pleased with the amount of ship time. You never know exactly, especially with all the things going on with the pandemic, how long things are actually going to take to arrive, but I think it was just a few weeks and I had the doll in my possession, so I was excited about that. The service is great, and Joseph's care and packaging was amazing. So let me see if I can get this actually open. Yep, there we go. All right. Flip it. So here's the exterior portion of the box, which I've actually shown in other unboxing videos as well. It's absolutely gorgeous, and it shows the actual lost 60s Australian fashions from fashion designer Stephen Moore. So you can see on the outside of the box, this is actually the Bindi Mirinda Mermaid Pool outfit. So let's go ahead and get the box open and see what's actually inside. And then we'll move a little bit deeper. All right, so perfect. Looks like we got her accessories right there. This is an illustration from Joseph, and as I've said before, he was a Disney illustrator for several years, and you can see his inspiration in his beautiful dolls. So let me go ahead and remove her hairnet from the box and start to look a little bit deeper into what we have going on here. So here's a little bit better view of her before I actually remove her from the actual box. And I'm absolutely delighted with this skin tone. This is a 375 limited edition of this actual doll. She's part of the main line. She features saran rooted hair as well as applied eyelashes. She has a manicure and pedicure. And as you can see, her face palette is absolutely beautiful. So let me get her back onto the table and remove some of these strings, and we'll see what her actual full outfit looks like. Having purchased the Glamourage doll before, I know that this is going to be her accessory case. To get it out, you just literally push the box apart and then it will actually be released. So let's open that up really quick and see what we have inside. Wow, beautiful jewelry, super pretty. I'll get a close-up of this for you. It comes with a gorgeous necklace and earrings, a ring for her finger, as well as a bracelet. So we'll get a little bit closer view of that as we get those unpackaged. This is a gold handbag that she comes with, and it actually features the mermaid, hence the name Bindi Mirinda Mermaid Pool. So that's really, really cool. The shoes that she comes with are actually high heels, and they're slides. They are a patent purple, and they're really, really quite lovely. So let me go ahead and set those to the side, and we'll get the doll out of the box. All right, well, she is released, which is great. Look at this amazingly unique outfit. I love this design. It has literally tabs across the outside of the leg, and then a pleating both at the chest and also at the just below the knee, which is really, really cool. I've actually never seen anything designed exactly like that, and I think it's pretty fabulous. So we'll get some better close-ups on the pedestal with her to show and highlight that actual outfit. So if we look at the back, the garment is really beautifully constructed. It's put together here at the back with hook and eyes, which is great. She has a beautiful long ponytail and a side sweeping bang, which I think is fantastic. The texture of the hair is very nice. It's very smooth and glossy to the end, which I think is great. So let me get her plastic off, and we'll actually get her accessories on, and then we'll move her over to the pedestal to get some photographs. Before moving over to the turntable, I wanted to show you really quickly the accessories up close so you could get a real appreciation for them. So this is actually that mermaid bag, and if you look at it really close, the detail on that is so cool. It has a beautiful illustration, it has several colors, and it's just really fantastic. These are the actual shoes that she comes with. Again, as I said, they're high heel slides in purple patent leather, which is fantastic. And then this is her actual jewelry, which I think is going to be so much more lovely to view once we get it on the doll. Here's a really nice close-up of her actual beautiful face. And what I did notice when I took Bindi out of the box is that she does not have a pre-existing hole for her earrings. This is a really, really easy fix, and I actually think it's an advantage. A lot of people don't like to use earrings on their dolls, nor do they like to have holes. So in this case, you have a choice either way. Another one of her sisters arrived like this as well, and I can show you really quickly how to pierce those if you want to refer back to the other Bindi Marinda unboxing video. But now that we have her standing there with all of her fabulous accessories, I just want to give you a quick pan of what she actually looks like, all the way down to her beautiful purple patent leather shoes. So as we come up, I do want to draw to your attention that one of the things that's really amazing to me about Joseph's dolls is her stand is actually standing next to her, not underneath her. And that's because these dolls are so perfectly balanced that if you put their ankles in just the right position, they can go ahead and strike a pose and hold it without even needing the doll stand. This is a hugely important thing to me as a pattern designer, and I'm trying to get those final photographs for different pattern covers when the doll actually cooperates. So let me stand her up in a couple of different positions and give you a couple more close-ups of this actual outfit. Here's her standing in a different position, and as you can see, the side of that outfit is super cool. Let me try to zoom in and give you a close-up of the actual tabs at the legs. I know the camera angle is not the best, but this is just so interesting to me. I really, really do love it. And there's that beautiful handbag. And as we can come up, you can see she has very graceful hands. And I did want to mention too that every Glamouroz doll comes with 4 sets of hands and alternative fashion feet as well as flat feet. So that's also a really nice selling point, especially if you do like to dress and redress your dolls. Okay, well, we made it to the end of our unboxing of the Bindi Mirinda Mermaid Pool Doll, and I think she is gorgeous. I hope that I did her justice by showing you her beautiful form, as well as showing her in this swimsuit, which will be a pattern that I'm releasing for the Glamour-Oz doll shortly, called Beach Baby. She has such a beautiful figure, and she really wears the swimsuit well. I hope you learned a little bit more about Joseph's beautiful creations. The takeaway, I guess, from this is these are beautiful dolls in a beautiful box. They have a gorgeous figure, super posable, extra hands and feet, lovely jewelry and accessories, and they already come in gorgeous outfits. But if you are interested in sewing for your dolls, the Beach Baby pattern will be out for them shortly, and this will be the 5th pattern in the Glamour-Oz doll pattern series. So thank you to Joseph for allowing us to use his beautiful models and to create fabulous fashions for them. I've enjoyed so much getting to know him and wish him all the success going forward. If he comes out with more dolls, I guarantee I'll be first in line to buy it. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe and like button, and I'll see you in the next video.